My name is Lucas Ballard,
My name is Matt.
And I'm Tyler.
and we are the
The
Drew.
Drew Crew.
Everyone loves inside jokes that have no
And we just had audio
possibility of being
problems,
explained.
but now it's no longer that it is the case. So we're gonna go
Now
in this
there
door.
is no more.
Yeah.
Yeah, we gotta go find about an art collector
Oh,
because
it's-
this game was sick. Like seriously, it was
Yeah.
sick.
Mm,
This
Yep,
game
yep,
was-
yep, yep, yep.
Remember when we used our nicotine habit to make a friend? That was fun.
Yeah.
I
Hey,
do like nicotine.
I had a
I don't want to
sheet.
say that joke's copyrighted,
Tell
but
me
Rich, fancy looking, in his 50s or thereabouts. I'd say he'd be around 70 now if he's still alive. He knocked on that door one day with a wad of cash in his
Fuck.
hand. $5,000. He wanted
a
everything
lot of
that Lily
cash.
so much as touched with a brush.
Huh. Did he say why?
Nope, but I got the
It's
feeling
like a
that most of
wad.
that dough was paid so he could avoid any questions. I
he's
took
just
the money.
flexing,
I
really.
still have Nathan to support.
Did the stranger give you his name?
No. Well, his face was far from forgettable, though. Big nose, bright blue eyes, looked black Irish. He had a thick black mane, turning gray, no beard.
All right, Sue. Thanks.
Black Irish.
Mind telling me what Lily
Yeah,
was
he's
like,
black
Sue?
and Irish.
I'd be happy to. She was
I wasn't aware that
Nathan's
Irish had
older
like
sister by 2
physical
years.
characteristics.
Lily was like any girl growing up, normal,
Outside of, like,
happy,
gold
talking about school,
coins and
boys,
Three
and
top hats.
She and Nathan were close back then, always playing together in the woods. When Lily was 10, she started drawing, always doodling on just about anything she could get her hands on. We didn't have much, really, and so she used what she could. Once I even caught her scribbling on toilet paper. On her 12th birthday, we gave Lily a thick sketchbook with an assortment of pencils. She was ecstatic. That was the happiest I'd ever seen her. From that day, drawing became her life. Eventually, her art teacher at school helped her to get started with oil painting. When Lily was 15, something changed. At first, I thought it was just usual teen angst, but no, this was something different. She started going out, disappearing for long periods of time. She locked herself in when painting. She never used to do that. I tried everything. Counseling,
the
support
cult.
groups,
it's the cult.
antidepressants. Nothing worked.
Doesn't mean I'm
Yeah.
not fucking hooked
About
on this
a
story.
year later, she just
Yeah.
gave up. And well, you know the rest.
I'm sorry, Sue. That must have been unimaginable.
Thanks, darling, but it's been a while now. I've learned to live with it.
Odd usage of the word. Unimaginable.
I don't think so.
I mean,
So,
you'd think
tell me
that
about Lily's
she
art.
experienced it.
It used to be about cheerful things, landscapes, animals, bright colors. But as she drifted further into depression, she started painting horrible things, death and decay. And the last few pieces looked like
the
something
cult.
out of a nightmare.
Go.
That's
Was there an
awful.
octopus
Did
in
Lily
any
ever
of
get
them?
any recognition for her art?
Not really. Except from the guy I told you about.
I
who
played
bought
Call of
most her
Cthulhu.
paintings.
Yeah. Yeah.
I don't need.
This is really just
I
brains
don't-
over Innsmouth.
Do you know anything about what happened to my grandfather? How he ended up in a wheelchair?
Stroke, wasn't it? At least that's what I heard.
Not necessarily.
Brains
There
over-
are some
I think I got that title
divided
wrong.
opinions about it.
Now that I think about it,
I wasn't
that whole
thinking.
ordeal happened to him not long after he came here.
How long?
A week, maybe, at the most.
Shadow over Innsmouth. Knew it.
Oh, it's totally.
I think I'm gonna head off.
Sure thing.
All right. I am going to turn down the music a bit. That's what I wanted to do.
Brains of Castamere.
Well, that's compelling as shit. Let's fucking find shit out, boys.
Daughter
Yeah.
started painting. Wait.
Let's talk to Nathan
Yeah,
again.
he's
Wait.
stuck in his own little world. It's
So
like
she used
Sue's
to have
mentally
a
disabled
daughter?
son.
Yeah, that was the one that drowned, remember?
Oh yeah, now I remember now.
Yeah, she
okay.
threw herself in a
I'm
lake.
back in. Yeah. Stuffed her pockets with stones and pulled a whatever
What
poet.
in the fuck?
I think we talked about this last time.
Somebody
I know
around here is
that's
a chain smoker.
why I didn't go
It's
into
totally open. Oh, gee, Conwell Lake, where Lily Myers met her demise.
Can you fucking imagine still having to live next to the very like pond which your child died? It's horrifying. Anyway,
Is that really called the Catmobile?
hell yeah.
It's
Oh
the
my
Catmobile, my
God.
custom chopper bike. She was born.
Plenty of gas tank, then
76
let's just
Corley
ride
Motors,
around everywhere.
But there aren't many original parts left. Took me a couple of years to make her perfect.
Hell yeah. If I could just play this protagonist in every game, I'd appreciate that.
Every game you say.
Yes, every single one.
Doom.
Yes.
Just her and Doom getting
Just like,
destroyed.
you know what? She can handle herself. Where do we go? Where do you guys want to go? This is we still have to catch up on the whole plot of the game, so I'm fine going anywhere.
Yeah,
Let's go to the jail cell.
Let's go to jail. Alright, he said it first, unless Tyler objects. Here we go.
yeah, no, I have zero objection.
Tyler object.
honestly, I don't
Oh,
really-
it's Hitler's youth boy who loves us.
fucking, you want to fight, Matt?
Yeah, straight up.
Anyway,
I think
cool, that's
Might
neat.
be-
Hi, Lenny.
Hey, Lenny.
I still, I
Hello,
don't
Kathy.
remember
What's
where
up?
we have to go.
Me neither.
Nah. I don't need to.
Yeah.
Nah. Nah.
Yeah.
Well, gotta go.
See ya.
Yeah,
Yeah. Go talk to the bum.
I'm really
bum
gonna
boy.
yeah.
There has to be
Yeah.
some way to find out who bought those.
Yeah, but we did jog memory.
Don't talk to it.
The music in this game is incredible, by the way.
How's the paperwork coming along, Lenny?
Yeah.
okay.
Yeah, it's very like,
That's no good. We're
like
gonna
if
have to
they
cancel
took
lunch today.
old,
Again?
like, cheesy 80s,
Your motivation
like,
shouldn't
detective
deliver
drama
by your
music and
growling
made it
stomach, Lenny.
ever so slightly chiptune-y.
If you say so, boss.
Ever so slightly. Like, really just,
Hello,
at that
Sheriff.
point, it's not even
Mind
like
if I
chiptune, it's
ask
just
you
like
a few more
sort
questions?
of bad audio quality or low audio
If you
quality.
must.
Stun him.
Doesn't matter.
I'm just gonna turn on the blues.
I don't. Sure. I'll show him the police report.
Hey, I don't know. I forgot. Okay, Kathy. Get off my ass.
Do you know anything about a drowning here in 1975? The victim was a young girl.
You have a memory problem? I told you I haven't been working here that long. Besides,
Yeah,
even if
I've-
I did, I wouldn't tell you. Juvenile cases are a sensitive matter.
I love that. That was great. Where it's like, yeah, canonically, I don't know that, but also, if I did know that, I want you to know that me as a character would not help you.
Yeah.
He's new in town. I don't want to.
Okay.
Sure. That's all for now.
Sure. Oh, remember Grandma is definitely bad?
Yeah, but we love her anyways, so.
Mm-hmm.
Lenny, I need you to do something.
How can I help, boss?
It's my mother's birthday this weekend.
It's my mother's birthday, like 48 times I've told you this. Hey,
Hey.
Bum.
Hi there.
It's George
Hey,
Costanza.
dude.
Or it's the guy from Waverly
Okay,
Place.
gotta go.
I'm the dad. Oh.
Just keep
Just a bunch
TV
of-
on leave.
Just a bunch. I'll need to.
You can't
Do
do
it,
it.
you
Just
won't.
a
Got it.
bunch.
Hey, I have a key.
Serves him right for being in jail.
That action doesn't seem.
Hey,
You already
You
got
don't seem
something out of
productive.
there, I
Wondering.
think.
evidence unlocks these evidence.
I don't
lockers.
see a computer
You
monitor.
already got something.
Probably recovered stolen goods. There's no way small town cops would be that up to date with the modern world.
Because it's a CRT. That's funny.
I'll need a key.
Yeah, but I have a key. Why doesn't my key work on everything?
You have a key. Honestly, I have
very-
like 8 keys, so I should be able to unlock the entire fucking world.
I do love how much her character is reinforced by her, like, the words she gives as to why she won't do actions. Like, it's not saying, like, use mop and say, I don't know how to use that. It's a clean floor.
very
It's just
funny.
like, oh, fuck off. I find that amusing. All right, who wants to go to Gam Gam?
I think you should go to your grandma and just tell her everything about your life and like everything about what's going on. Just give her
Tell
all the
her
information.
every
It says,
detail.
tell her my mother's maiden name, my social security number, and... Hey, let's look at that phone book. Let's just run down every single note.
No result. Nope. I got her family's. I got that. Nope. No result.
Nope, nope, nope.
Nope. Yeah.
Not in town.
Me.
An old typewriter cover.
God, that's so sick.
Oh, hello, dear.
Hi, witch.
You know, she might not be evil, but she definitely has a secret of some sort.
She's
she's
the
bad.
cult leader.
She's evil. I buy it.
Mind if we talk for a bit, Grandma?
Not at all, dear. What's on your mind?
Tell
I
me
don't see
everything.
I don't see. Do you know anything?
Oh, yes. We never really knew.
Do they still live around?
Mother and son.
But not the.
No.
We've already
you
heard
see,
this, so.
Not really, dear.
Can you tell me anything about McConnell Air Force Base?
It's not very far from Conwell Springs. Joseph was stationed there for some time during the war. I believe they're still training young pilots there today.
So, when did Grandpa enlist in the Air Force?
Oh, it was barely past the honeymoon when Joseph left to fight in that terrible war, together with his best friend Charles and my brother
See,
Andrew.
World War I or
Those
World
were
War II?
nerve-wracking years. I was
I
so
assume it's
worried
World War
I thought
II.
I would burst. Every
Korean
short visit
War.
from Joseph was a
It's actually
joy,
the
but he
current
kept
ongoing
going
crisis
back
in
to the
Afghanistan.
front, to my great dismay. When I
Or,
told Joseph
I guess
about
suppose-
being
I suppose
pregnant
it's
with
not
your
really
father, he finally realized that
Afghanistan anymore.
enough was enough.
I mean, the country's still
Operation
Afghanistan.
Afghanistan.
Desert Fox.
Shortly thereafter,
Operation
he returned
Desert
to a quiet
Fox.
farmer's life in this very house, helping your great grandfather.
The porn name for the parody.
Oh,
The Taliban who fucks.
I don't like it.
We're probably gonna listen to that again. Wait, shit, I had something and I lost it. Fuck. No. Oh, that was it. Blood on the Clock Tower has given me a thirst for a game where you have to do it's a single player Blood on the Clock Tower where you would play a game like this where you have to do a mystery, but you have to be selective in the information that you gave out and requested. Because, like, this game, I don't think we're going to have a different ending if we tell everything to our grandma and she turns out to be evil. But I would like a game where it was like, you were too loose-lipped and that's why you lost. You were too curious.
That sunk your ship.
Yeah. Like, I would like to play a game like this where that was actually a mechanic, where you were like, ugh, I'm not sure if I want to tell that person that, because they might, whatever. Anyway, that's all.
That might be a problem.
Yeah.
Does the nickname Cocky mean anything to you?
Oh,
Sounds
honey.
vaguely familiar. Reminds me of
Boy,
the
does
aviator
it.
call signs Joseph and his friends gave one another. Joseph was vigilante. I can't count the number of times he got into trouble for breaking the rules. To this day, I have no idea how he always managed to land on his feet.
He's just so good with people.
Must be hereditary, given the things I've gotten away with. Every time I wake up, I am genuinely surprised that I'm not in jail.
I'm sure it's not that bad, dear.
That's not
But
something
to get back to the
be happy
subject,
about.
you don't have any idea
I think
what
it is.
Cocky is?
I'm afraid the Air Force might be a good place to start.
Let's go to the Air Force.
In the Air Force.
I don't see a reason.
In
Can you tell me anything
Murmur.
about McConnell Air Force Base?
In
Not
the
very far
Coast
from Colorado
Guard.
Springs. Joseph was stationed there for some time. I believe they're still training young pilots.
So when did Grandpa?
Oh, it was barely past the honeymoon. Those were nerve-wracking. Every short visit
Wow.
from Joseph was a joy.
It was barely
He
after
kept
we were
going
done getting
to
married that
the
he wanted to
front,
leave me to
to
get
my
killed.
great dismay. When I told Joseph about being pregnant with your father, shortly thereafter he returned to a quiet farmer's life and
Okay.
Well, gotta go, Grams. Talk to
I'm
you
sure
later.
that quiet farmer's
Bye,
life
Kathy.
was super quiet when he was running that cult. Man, I want to go to that church now, even though I'll definitely get kidnapped.
Me too.
I just want to go to the basement and be like, where is it? And find pentagrams and shit and be like, ah, I knew it. Cult. Hey, I thought there'd be an Air Force base.
You can't just drive to the Air Force Base, you dumbass.
You degenerate. Where do you guys want to go? I have no idea where to go.
You need at least 1.5 million people to go there with you.
Well,
Oh, Matt. Or you guys, I guess we'll go into
Area
cemeteries
51
because it's a
joke.
new location.
yeah, because there's really, we've been everywhere else.
Also, we've got.
Oh, remember when the
mileage out of
kid
these
disappeared?
locations. Yeah, remember there was a fucking mystery child.
Yeah, the kid just like went away. He's like, I'm here, and then he called his mom, and then he wasn't there.
Yeah, and then our great Lord Cthulhu descended from the sky and was like, "That was me.
I was the one who did it.
You like my trick?"
I'm gonna find out.
I really like this music. I should just get it. I should just buy the soundtrack.
No reason. It says
Go in there.
a family mausoleum.
Maybe the price is the family that's behind the cult.
Yeah.
Mm,
Well, I mean,
Why would you ever get a mausoleum? Like, isn't it kind of like I'm depressed and I'm going to visit a grave and it's like I know what I want to do, get into a fucking stone bunker.
yeah.
No, you
and
want
be
open
surrounded
air,
by
wouldn't you?
corpses that are above ground.
Yeah, it's like it is weird to me why you would want that as opposed to just being like, I don't know, on a hill. Like there are many rich ways to bury yourself that make sense to me, and that's not one of them.
yeah, like building a pyramid.
All right, let's just throw items at her until we get a better jogging memory
Yeah.
or something.
Or
Does this key remind you of anything? How about this old dental floss? How about
Shouldn't we? Shouldn't we follow the paintings or something?
Oh,
Yeah, that's what
it's
we're trying to
you
do. We're
again.
trying to follow
Come
the
on in.
we just
Yeah.
It says that she doesn't know who it is, so we have to jog her memory or some shit.
Right.
The stone owl. This package of marbles.
I had a few more questions, Sue.
Shoot.
The stick I found.
Show her
I
the
don't-
gun.
Are you gonna fucking show me?
I was pretty tempted. No reason.
You could call the Air Force Base and ask about
That's a good
Taki.
church.
Oh, shit.
I go there from time to time. I bring Nate too, when that boy needs the fear of God put into him.
That's
Or maybe
weird.
he's at the cemetery.
That's weird.
No reason. No
you say no reason to show her that.
Hey,
feel like you
Sue,
should
do
still show
recognize
her.
Any of these men?
Well, there's Joseph Rain. Always so handsome. I had such a crush on him.
She's the
back in
actual
day.
parent.
And no way. That's him. The man who bought the painting says he's much younger here, but there's no mistaking that hair and nose.
Are you sure?
I'm positive, little cat. That's the guy who walked into this cabin with $5,000 in cash.
That's very helpful, Sue.
To buy
thanks.
the cult
I
painting.
need to find out who that guy is.
Let's find some fucking paintings. Give me those fucking paintings.
I'm
I'm gonna fucking blitz out of this. Bye, bitch.
with
I'm
it.
gonna go fucking find it.
Just like
I'm gonna walk in a weird moonwalk kind of pace. Oh.
you run out of the house so fast, like the rug like flies up behind you.
Hey, you want to see an advanced tech that speedrunners use in this game? So if you click on
Yeah.
something, you go this fast. But if you click twice, you like moonwalk. If you like spam click, you kind of like go because the walk cycle keeps
You go.
repeating.
You go
Wait.
even slower.
I'm moonwalking. Anyway,
It's
Go to the Catmobile.
get me to the Air Force Base. Get me to the Air Force Base. I want to go to the Air Force Base.
You won't be able to go to
Show
Air
me
Force
the
Base,
money.
you dummy.
What the fuck? What the
I
fuck?
told you.
I just have to go to the fucking phone, I guess.
Yeah, go call the man in the painting picture.
Why can't you just let me go to the Air Force Base?
nah.
Cocky.
I got her.
Oh, yeah, fine. Whatever. Okay, I'll go ask her about the photo. Be like, hey, who's this?
Oh, yeah.
And then if she doesn't tell me, I'll stun gun her.
Slit her
Tell me,
throat.
Grandma. Who is this man?
Mind if we talk for a bit,
Where are you
Grandma?
hiding your cult implements?
Not at all, dear.
Look at this photo I found in the locked briefcase.
Goodness, I haven't seen that picture in years.
That's when we
This
built
was
the
taken
cult.
when Joseph was stationed at McConnell Air Force Base. That's him.
Yeah,
right
yeah,
there on
yeah,
the left.
Grandma. Just tell me who this
What
guy
about
is.
the other two?
I don't
There's a name of
remember
Grandma.
the name of the smiling man.
I need answers.
The
Charles
gentleman
Wade.
on the right was Joseph's best friend.
Okay, thanks. Bye, Graham.
Charles
Yeah, see you, dude.
Like
So
before she even
Charles
says
Wade
it, but
is
it's like I read the
mysterious art
text.
collector.
Oh, the idea that she just said that right
What
to
can- well,
the grandma's face.
I do
So the
know
mysterious
he
art
has made
collector was
quite
Charles
a
Wade.
name
What
for
art,
himself
my dear?
since he and Joseph went to war together.
The art that
Apparently,
I
he
was
came up
trying
with
to
some
collect.
Brilliant piece of engineering for the airplanes. They use it everywhere now.
Any idea how to get in touch with him?
I'm afraid not, dear. I haven't seen him for years.
Oh shit,
He
they
and
grew
Joseph
apart
grew
because
apart
one was a
before
cult
you were
person and
born.
the other person was also
Any
a cult
particular
person.
reason for that?
Oh, not that I know of.
Well, gotta
Bye.
If any of you spoil this game, I'll cut you in the throat. This is so hype.
It's gonna get
Let me
spoiled
call
for
Charles fucking Wade.
I'm gonna find the video once you upload it. I'm gonna
Spoil it in the
copy
comments.
the entire summary of the,
No
of
Charles
the
Wade
game.
in here. Was worth a shot, but being rich and famous and all, I guess he's got a hidden number.
Wait, what
no
the fuck?
hit for Wade Industries either. But it was kind of a long shot for them to have an office
Wow,
in a
she's
small
smart.
county anyway. I should try to get a hold of him some other way.
Smoke signals.
Faxing.
DM.
I'm just gonna slide and do his DMs. This will be great. I'm going to the cop shop because I love. Oh, by the way, this game is excellent at keeping your like range of options limited. Like I only have like 4 places to go, and we're going
Yeah.
to the sheriff's station so I can find out.
I imagine we're gonna have more places in the future.
Yeah.
Hey, Sheriff.
Doubt it.
What's the deal with that bum?
What bum?
Hey, bum.
Hey, what's the bum?
Hey,
What's up with that bum?
good.
Can you
Bum
just
boy.
puke right now on command?
Yeah, I have an
Guess
eating
what?
problem.
Let me just shove my fingers
He's
into the
having some
back of
kind
my
of fit.
throat.
Here we go.
Show me the money.
I already got the report.
Show me the other money.
I got the key already. Fax machines.
Yeah, fax the Wade boy.
Various notices. A bunch of cops lined. A medieval fortress near an ocean. A medieval fortress. Land of the free. Not their peak hour.
Uh.
I should use this time to.
So,
Okay, well, I've poked around.
yeah, poking has been done.
Lots of police report.
Gosh, there must have been so many voice lines for this actress.
Yeah,
Nah, I should use.
wonder how much she was paid. This game doesn't look like
$2.
it's super high budget. Maybe it's okay.
Well,
I
it was
shouldn't
a
say
guy, so.
It could be just like a passion project.
Where the fuck do we go? Let's go to the cemetery and find another gravestone.
Mm-hmm.
Maybe that'll be like, hey, he's dead. Died under mysterious circumstances.
Bet you he's in the mausoleum. Because
Wait,
he's
what is his last
rich.
name again?
Wade Wilson.
You fucking with me.
No, it's Wade.
Todd Wade.
Told you. Dwayne Wade.
Wade the Rock Johnson.
Spiegelman.
Damn. Really fucking died. That sucks.
I never thought. Conwell Springs.
Well, I'm fucking lost. Anyone got any ideas?
Mausoleum.
It said
Yeah.
no reason.
Why is it? You
It's
said
a-
there's no reason to go in there. Just go in there anyway.
Yeah. What does that stop you?
There's also no reason to fucking live. But what? You're still doing that?
Just fucking kill yourself. Kathy
Yeah.
Rain.
She's certainly edgelord enough.
Just
She's slowly killing herself with cigarettes. Why not?
do it fast. Just like put 30 cigarettes in your mouth and die instantly.
And just.
This paint looks fresh.
Where the fuck do I
Dogfighting.
go?
Is upstairs Grandpa's place?
My house like weird.
Oh,
Hello, dear. I've sat on this couch for 3 weeks, sipping the same pot of empty coffee.
mind if we talk for a bit?
Not at all.
I already. Do you know anything about this story, Grandma?
Not
No.
much, dear. It was the saddest thing. The girl was only 16 years old. We never really knew the family. They preferred to keep to themselves.
Do you remember their names?
Let me think. I'm awfully sorry, dear. I just can't.
What I love.
That's
What my
kinda
like
alright,
favorite
Grandma.
part of Drew
I was
Crew
just
is
wondering
how
why Grandpa would have
professional
wanted
we
to
are.
save this.
Like,
Joseph was always deeply affected by the tragedy
Like,
of others.
honestly, I
Perhaps
think
he
this
wanted
should
to
be
do
like number
something for the
one on
family
like
to ease their
podcasts.
In any
like,
case, he didn't
just-
speak to me about it.
People just want to listen to us.
That's probably why they come.
Yeah.
Honestly.
Drinking,
Yeah, it's probably
eating
why we
chips
have like
later.
thousands and thousands and thousands of views.
Do you recognize this
Why we have
camera?
2
I found
subscribers.
it in the
Yeah,
I'm
and
afraid
they're
not.
Matt and I.
See you later.
Oh wait,
And
3
we
because
will never
David.
disappoint our fans.
Ah,
It's a
yeah,
sized
yeah,
book
yeah.
collection. Most of them
Don't forget Colin.
science or history related.
4.
From the looks of it.
Oh my god.
4 subscribers, and it's all. It's
That's 25%
it's just-
growth.
It's
Grandpa,
just a
I think
fucking
we're-
bunch of Spider-Mans pointing at each other.
Listen, man, an engagement's an engagement.
Yeah.
That shit's gold in the attention economy.
See if there's a
T-Series
Charles
wishes they
Wade
were
number
us.
up here.
A Warren office.
What if we have to mail something to
Mr.
Charles
Bear.
Wade?
Then we're fucked because millennials
Nah.
don't know how to use the mail system.
She's not a millennial though.
Just.
She's a millennial.
No,
I've
she's not.
Listen, anyone
It
between
doesn't
the
take
ages of
place in
60 and
modern
0
day.
is a millennial.
No, no.
I've already searched. Very.
Where the
very-
fuck do I go?
She's like Gen Y or something. I
Man,
don't
I'm
even
gonna
know.
fucking have to like get a walkthrough, and I don't want to do that.
Gen Y is millennial.
Fuck, man, what do we do?
No. Is it?
Yeah.
No.
That's
Charles
like how
Wade.
Gen.
I don't know how.
I thought it went
I'll
Gen
talk
X,
to you
Gen
one way
Y,
or another.
Gen, or like millennial, Gen Z.
Something was special.
No, I'm
Something
pretty
was-
sure Gen Y.
I don't have anything.
is.
I
Gen
wonder who this
Y.
cocky person really is, and why he needed. What really?
Short for Generation Y. Thank you.
Jenny.
Born in the 1980s and 1990s. The children of the baby boomers, typically perceived as increasingly familiar with digital and electronic technology. That sounds
Nice
like
black
millennial to
leather-
me.
Nice.
Yeah,
black,
millennials.
Nice black
Also
Oh,
known as
okay.
Generation
A
Y or
mere
Gen
six-
Y. Baby boomers are Generation W.
I know this is 2 pairs of boots, but it also looks like a fucking alien artifact.
A lot of the stuff in this
Probably
game is
is.
an alien artifact.
Oh fuck.
Like, what's that cell phone
The
that has
only
like a
thing-
box attached to it, like numbers? Fuck's that?
A dictaphone.
Leave a message after the
Hey. Anyway,
Hello, Joseph, Mrs. Rain. It's me, Charles. I thought I'd give you a call. Erica just had her firstborn. It's a boy. Thankfully, he looks nothing like his father.
Yeah.
Listen, I was thinking maybe you'd like to come and visit. And what about your little Kathy? Maybe she wants to see the baby. Well, anyways, I hope to see you soon. All the best. Bye.
What's your number? Need to call you back.
You people make
Yeah.
me sick. We're never coming back. Don't call, don't write. If you ever try to contact us, I will call the police.
Joseph, you there? It's me, Cocky. It happened to me too. And
I looked at the painting,
any of those bastards.
and now
They
Cthulhu's
got
in
it
my
all
house.
wrong. You're the only one I trust now. Just call me back as soon as you can.
He sounds like
Idris Elba.
the guy who plays Stryker in the X-Men movies.
Looks overexposed. I can't make much out. I think I... Looks overexposed.
How do I underexpose
There's
it?
probably some way to enhance this back at school. I'll figure it out tomorrow when I'm back.
So
Either Brian.
been one
it's
day?
Brian Cox.
I've driven to like
Sounds like Brian
16
Cox.
places.
Tragic drowning in early morning. The note. I wonder what.
Well,
It's been raining this whole
Amir's-
time.
if any of you guys want to throw in the towel and look at a walkthrough, I won't stop you, but I'm gonna keep looking. Because we're gonna start just doing the whole throw every item at everything. You know what? Maybe we should just. You know what? This game's sick enough. Don't look at a
Mind if
walkthrough.
we
We're gonna do this the old way.
I don't want. I are.
The old-fashioned way.
Grams, can you tell me
Coward.
anything about
Oh
this
yeah.
picture?
Here we go.
It looks awfully bright. Perhaps something was wrong with the camera.
Yeah, maybe.
But I
should
have an
try to figure
achievement
something out tomorrow at
walkthrough
the university.
where you can get all the achievements.
Oh,
I already showed her that.
I want that.
I don't think we. I already
They
told
call
her.
me an
got
achievement
the-
hunter.
I don't.
Huh?
I don't.
That's
don't-
odd. I know some
Bye,
guys
Grandma.
like that.
So
You do?
Yeah, not personally.
Oh, okay. Well, then don't talk about them.
I mean, I guess just I had no right to.
I think I've combined everything with every other thing in these two locations. So off to the lakeside cabin, I guess.
Ask if she knows about Charles Wade.
What is Charles Wade?
What does this Charles
Wouldn't it
Wade?
be great if we just came in here and she was dead?
Oh, that'd be so cool.
And Nathan was
Nathan
holding a
just
knife
fucking-
and just being like, I didn't do it.
You
Yeah.
again. Come on in.
Or he's like spinning a poker chip with a fucking tie on. It's like, hello. You finally arrived.
I had a few more.
Shoot.
So Charles Wade was the one who bought those paintings from you.
Yep, like I said, he gave me $5,000 for Lily's paintings. If you want to know his reasons, you're gonna have to ask the man himself.
Cool. Do you know his number? Oh, you don't? Pulls out the stun gun. Do you
No.
now?
No,
Does
no,
this
we-
jog your
I
memory?
already. It was. No,
I think it was 8675309.
no reason. I'd rather. Do you know what?
Well, that's a
Jenny,
bit of a
Jenny,
weird
who
question, ain't it?
can I turn
no.
to?
What's that from?
The song
Oh,
Jenny.
right, yeah.
I think I'm gonna shoot it. Nah, he's stuck.
Maybe fucking the retarded kid knows where the fucking key is.
Whoa, whoa,
I really
whoa.
thought you were gonna advocate for fucking the Nathan.
What?
Maybe fucking that kid. I don't want to say that word.
No, I'm not that depraved. Do you know? Hey, overexposed picture. You know this shit? You know what this
I don't
fucking?
need to.
Maybe you do. Maybe we don't know what the fuck we're doing here.
Maybe you just show him the stun gun.
Jesus Christ.
You know, we,
No, I
we
am
really
not going
try to
to stun
refrain
him.
from using that word in today's society.
What?
We much prefer saying the retarded young person.
Yeah.
Yeah.
We really need to refrain from saying the word Nathan in today's society.
I don't need to show. I don't think.
I don't give him cigarettes.
I don't need to show.
Listen, I'm just trying to find literally anything to
There
do.
Yet I can smell something. I can smell something cooking.
Maybe I can put drugs
Maybe
in
it's
it.
a grenade.
Have you exhausted
I can
all
smell
the
something.
options on the telephone? 'Cause that's how we've advanced the story literally every time, except for
Whatever. Okay, fine. I'll do it.
Can you ask the sheriff about
She was born a 70s.
Charles? Not that he would tell you, but
catfish anyone over the phone.
get it? Because it's Kathy Rain. And just short for Kathy is cat.
How much can you guys hear the chips?
I can hear the chips.
Yeah.
Just to be clear, that was for humor. It was not. I didn't get dropped.
Oh.
You know what makes for good humor? Having to explain the joke.
I got.
Anyway.
Nope. Nope.
That's
I
my
got-
favorite
I
part
got-
of the
nope.
joke,
Mine-
usually.
Charles
Alright.
Wade's number.
Just a phone.
Let's do it.
Call McConnell.
Oh, yeah,
I'm
maybe-
sure if
What do you call him?
fucking what's his face was in the military base and you call him asking
Let's see.
about like his actual name instead of just being like, hey, do you know Cocky?
What are you doing?
It's a bunch of ones.
Don't worry, this will just take a bit.
Dude, 5551263. Call the base and ask about his number.
911. Call 911. Oh my god.
Sorry, it was just a
Dude. Fucking call McConnell.
bit. Okay.
Call 911.
Hey, where's fucking Charles?
How you doing? This is McConnell Air Force
I-
Base.
I'm trying to get a hold of Charles Wade.
Was
Will
that
you
the
happen to know how to
walkthrough that told
reach
you to
him?
do that, or did you just think of this?
It literally was the only thing I could think of that we hadn't done yet. Because we'd asked the grandma.
Is there any
we'd
way
asked
you could make an
what's her-
exception?
we'd
I
asked
really
Sue.
need to talk to Mr. Wade.
We'd gone to the cemetery twice.
Can't really help you out unless you have some sort of official business.
I'm a cop. Hey, I'm a cop.
I do have official business. I'm Deputy Reagan. I'm calling from Conwell Springs.
Yeah,
I'm
you're nailing this.
I'm Deputy Nixon.
You can clearly see that you're not calling from the station.
I'll be right back.
Oof.
Damn, I can't pull that off if I call from here.
Yeah, let's fucking
I wonder if there was another place we could call from.
I don't think.
Hey, I'll
there
make
is.
out with you if you just let me use the phone.
Hey, Lenny. Can you call this Air Force base
Tyler,
and
you're a
pretend-
genius. Also, I'm an
really-
idiot for not calling the fucking sheriff's station or whatever, the Air Force base. Hey. Hey, Lenny.
Hey, Lenny.
Hello, Cat.
Lenny, I'll maybe
Yeah.
Can I
kiss you on
use
the
your
cheek
phone?
if you call the Air Force base.
Well,
If I could just,
There's probably a phone at the front desk.
there is a phone here.
Is there?
Yeah, there's a phone on the
do
front
you mind
desk.
if I use this phone here?
Sorry, that's not allowed.
Sorry, you
Fuck
can
off,
fuck
Lenny.
off.
It's time to
Hey,
be distracted.
Binge and purge again, my boy.
Nazi again.
You know what? You thought I wasn't able to use your phone? Well, now I'm gonna make a man throw up on your floor, and you're gonna have to clean that up again for the 4th time. Hope you like vomit.
I could give him a kiss if he needed to.
Good to
I love how I've not asked him what he's in here for.
This guy can't possibly have anything left in his stomach.
You'd be surprised.
Here we go.
Here we go.
No,
Here we go.
don't search
Here
the
we
desk.
go
Use the
again.
phone. I can't believe I said I would pretend to be a cop, and then we proceeded to
555
pretend to be a
126.
cop.
Haha.
Hello?
They're gonna answer you back. I'm Deputy Reagan, and they're gonna be like,
Is there?
"You literally just called like
I
5
do have
minutes
official
ago."
business.
I can see that you're actually calling from the station. Say you're a
I am
cop.
no member.
This time.
I love that he like clarifies.
I can see that you're actually calling from the
Yes.
station this time.
Let me flex
Should we
my
accuse
caller
him of being
ID on you.
sexist? I don't even know what the prompt was.
Yeah, do it.
What the hell
Accuse
is
him
that
of being
supposed to mean?
sexist.
It's just because I'm a woman, right? Women don't belong in law enforcement. Is that what you're saying?
Okay, you're laying on a little thick,
So
Kathy.
Sexist.
Yeah.
Now that's hardly what.
Do you have any idea what I have to go through every day?
Every day.
Nobody takes me seriously. The dirty looks.
It's the 80s. You can be like, you can say literally anything. I have to birth a child every day.
555-7641.
Fucking finally.
Thanks, buddy.
Thanks, buddy.
Thanks, dude.
Thanks, homie.
Thanks, fucker.
You know what?
Just call from right
I'm
here.
gonna press my luck. Oh, I thought I could use this.
I literally told you 5 minutes ago that you couldn't.
Wait, residents.
Hi, this is Kathy Rain. I'm calling for Charles Wade.
He doesn't live here anymore.
Why are you calling from the
What's this
police
about?
station?
do
What are you, a
want with my
cop?
father?
I
I'd
mean,
just like to have a quick word with Mr. Wade. It's about my grandfather, Joseph Rain.
You're 20 years late, girl. My father has neither time nor energy to deal with you people.
But
I have wizard school.
It's over. Unless my father explicitly says he wants to talk to you, it's not going to happen.
that was.
Hello, it's me,
such
your
a
dad.
upper-class witch. Well, she hasn't heard the last.
Damn.
I'm going to talk to that old man one way or another.
Hell yeah.
One way
It's
or
getting late.
another. I'm gonna talk to old people.
Oh my god, that was how we needed to progress time? That's crazy.
Gonna get you.
Hey, look, at her.
Hey, look, light your roommate on fire.
Yeah,
You're
like.
still up.
I was wondering when you'd show up. How did it go?
Long story. I found out about some stuff that happened when I was a kid.
By the way, she did it.
Wow. What a
Christian Dill did it.
mystery. So
Yeah,
what's the plan
she's
now?
actually
She's
cult
an
leader.
occultist.
Some shut-eye is the plan.
She
I'm
might
about
she
to
might
pass
actually be a
out.
cultist. It's actually a
Oh, I
possibility.
couldn't possibly sleep now.
She definitely
I'm way
is.
too
Don't even
excited.
say might.
Well, that makes one of us.
That make an
Nighty.
interesting twist villain.
Good night, Cat.
You wake up in the
Hey,
middle of the
Kathy,
night and she's
wake
just
up.
like,
Ugh, you are so
Oh.
lucky there are
Oh,
no
that's
sharp
creepy.
objects near this bed.
Guess
if
what?
there was,
I got
I
an
would
idea.
be getting
Please
sued
tell
for
me it
assault right
involves
now.
you taking a sabbatical.
Haha, so you found all this evidence, right? Pictures, tapes, and stuff?
I guess. Why?
Well, as you know, I have a computer. And I know this hacker guy, Dave, and... Oh, never mind. I'll just write you a note. You go back to sleep.
Seriously, Eileen, sometimes I just marvel at how your brain works.
I know, right?
Eileen did it. She's the murderer.
how does she know you got all this evidence? You
Because we
didn't
told her.
even
We
tell
told her throughout the night.
No.
You sure you want to do
no,
this,
no.
Catherine? You still have time, if you think there's any chance you would change your mind.
I'm sure, Doctor. Just get it out of me. But please, don't tell my mom.
I'm sorry,
we
but we
getting
have to do
into?
that. It's the law.
Are
It's none of her business.
Is-
It's my choice to make. I have enough shit going on with her already. This would just add fuel to the fire.
I'm afraid there's nothing I can do.
okay?
Fine. Let's just get this over with then.
Right this way.
Day 2.
Hate that dream.
Anyway, let's get back to the wacky world of Twin Peaks.
Eileen!
Light the thing on fire.
Nah.
We're not going to class. We skip. Combine overexposed photo with
I
printer.
don't see how those.
With, I don't know.
Oh. Hi, Kat. Feel free to use my computer. My password is AngelLove, without the quotes. If you call my friend Dave at 555-2492, I'll be back in a few hours. Super
Sorry.
psyched about the investigation. E.
No, I get it.
P.S.
You should
No
be.
gum on the keyboard, please. Remember the last time? Oh, please. Like she
Gu-
actually
you put
used
gum on the
space
keyboard?
bar.
Bitch.
Shit. Looks like she forgot to write down the
Jeez.
username. Oh well, shouldn't be too hard to guess. I think it's just.
Her,
Hacker Dave.
Hacker Dave?
Hacker Dave. Name's Hacker Dave.
The name's Hacker Dave, my
He's
lady.
just like always wearing a Nintendo Power Glove.
How do you spell
After
her name?
4. Her name is
Eileen. Yep.
Come On Eileen. Not like
What?
Come on,
C-U-M?
Eileen.
Oh, come on, Eileen. Oh, something, Eileen.
Eileen's
Oh, come
that
on,
moved you to-
I
Eileen.
got a ska playlist off of Spotify, and
Yeah.
that song was.
Care. I can
And it
certainly-
just
not-
doesn't.
Is that ska?
It doesn't
Eileen's
feel like
girly
ska, but
It
it's on
doesn't
that-
feel like ska.
We meet again, Mr.
Do you ska came before reggae?
Yes.
Don't tempt me.
Did it?
Yeah.
No.
Nah, it's no fun.
Go to the Wikipedia page. It'll
Help me
tell
get
you.
rid of my
I'm pretty sure it didn't.
Nah. The Thing. One of my favorite horror movies.
Oh, these might actually be clues.
Just some random band. Pulp Fiction.
Like
It absolutely is. Your grandmother is the thing. Hot fire
What
poker
the balls?
thing.
Hey.
Okay.
Oh,
What?
come on, Eileen, and something, Eileen. Da, 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 da. Yeah, come
Hey,
on,
I'm Kathy. Eileen
Eileen.
said to call you about some software.
Ellie who?
Eileen. Red hair, glasses, speaks so fast her gums ache.
Oh, right. I thought her name was Errol. Figured it was kind of a weird name for a girl.
You must have a hearing disorder.
You must have a thinking disorder.
Got him. I love how this game
Wow.
like reads
Just-
me.
Wow. So, the software?
Oh, yeah. No, can't. Not really.
I knew she was full of shit.
Nah, I mean, sure, I used to be able to get pirated software.
Hacker.
Not anymore. There was this misunderstanding and my network privileges were revoked. Me and
Now
my,
all I have
IT
are these
guy don't
floppy
really see eye
disks
to eye. We used to play
and,
bocce together. Let's just say
mechanical
he's one sore
keyboards.
loser.
And trackball mouses.
You were such
You
a
call
pussy.
yourself a hacker? Just use your brain, for Christ's sake. Let's figure this out.
Wow, you're so sassy, Nancy Drew. Well, okay.
Let's go!
The only way to even theoretically crack one would be if Clyde logged onto a machine to which we have unrestricted physical
Can he
access.
be our Ned?
And
He's gonna be
I
our
got an
Ned.
idea.
I'm not
No,
gonna like
Eileen's our
this.
Ned.
Well, what you could do is intentionally crash your PC.
Like,
That sounds
yeah, she's the roommate, but
especially
really, she's the
Well, not
roommate.
crash it. Just crash it a little, then call Clyde. Clyde will come over to fix it.
We live
If you're
together
lucky,
and
then
have
he'll log
sex
onto the network
sometimes, but
using his
nothing,
Yeah.
nothing serious.
Afterwards,
She got me
remind him
pregnant once and I had to
find and
abort it.
crack
Worth a shot, I guess. Okay, you can come over and set it up.
No way.
That's why I have
Play
that
it through your
dream.
IBS, it just wouldn't work.
IBS? What the hell is that?
My roommate
Irritable bowel
Eileen got me
syndrome.
pregnant.
Oh, he actually meant irritable
Let my
bowel
buddy
syndrome.
drop off everything.
I was making a joke.
It's not rocket science.
Didn't work.
You do what I ask, and I'll get you some juicy software. Quid pro quo.
Whatever, weirdo.
It's essentially just a sticky floppy disk. Juicy software. Should poke through her stuff.
There was a floppy disk in there with a. It's labeled.
Of course, there's a floppy disk.
What's that? You mean the save symbol on Microsoft Word?
Yeah, they 3D printed.
Yeah,
this.
that's a weird thing to have in a game.
Yeah, I don't know why that's in a video game.
Yeah.
Weird.
Corrupt
Nobody's
hard
doing
drive.
that
Boom.
before.
That's all you need to do.
Download a
Oh.
bunch of porn.
All right.
Oh, that's just like a button on it. Corrupt hard drive. Hacker Dave.
Not
So
that
I hit
don't
the corrupt
love
hard
the
drive
sound of
button.
my own voice,
You
but-
did what?
Nah, I have nowhere.
Yeah, but then how do I get the people to help me?
Dig through her stuff. Find that teddy bear and light it on fire. Master and slave? I hate to break it to you, but that's just not the world we live in anymore.
Color printer. It's some advanced scanner thingy.
Find the bear, light it on fire.
I did.
No, you
Yeah?
didn't.
Yeah, I did.
Okay, I'll believe you.
Don't lie to me.
Yeah.
Hey, it's me again.
Can't talk right now.
Douche.
Hey, Ned. Douche.
Wade residence. McConnell Air Force Base. I don't fucking know what I'm supposed to do.
Get on the computer and uncorrupt
Well, you
the
need to
hard
figure
drive.
out what her name is. 'Cause we know she's Eileen, but
It's
we don't
Eileen.
really know a last name. Do we?
Yeah,
Did
it's
we forget her
Eileen.
last name?
Obviously.
don't
Eileen,
Oh yeah, Eileen.
There's
Eileen.
Her last name
Eileen.
is Toulouse.
I can certainly
Eileen,
see the-
Jesus lover.
Eileen- Eileen's. Eileen's schedule. There's a note for today. Eileen's schedule. Honestly, she can believe in. Looks handcrafted. That movie's not out yet. It's a
Typical.
promo. She tells everyone who walks in here this. I'm fairly sure it's about some guy. I think that. Oh wait.
Pink bear, light it on fire.
I did.
I'm no geek, but I know a computer. That is.
I got the achievement for it.
Show me.
Put it in
Can't.
front of my face so I can see it.
I can't.
Can you see the overlay? Can you?
Nah.
What overlay?
The
No.
Steam overlay.
Can't see.
No.
One, boot your computer. Two, use the corrupt. Three, call Clyde at 555-8181. 4, now comes the crucial part. 5, reboot. 6, reboot. 7, look for some kind of tool. That's it. And remember, if you mess up somewhere, just call.
I was done.
Okay, we just didn't have that.
How long have we been doing this? We started at 2,
We started
right?
at like
Technically, we started at
2-ish.
1:30.
Do you guys want
So
to
it's
take a
been
break
an-
and come back, or what?
1 hour. I'm okay to keep going, but if you guys want to
yeah,
take a break,
I
that's
think-
cool too.
I'm good keeping going. If you need to take a break,
Yeah.
I'm good.
I think we have like another 30 minutes to an hour left in us.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
All right. Because I want to get to the next big plot point at least. In that case,
Okay.
stop and record.